guys, welcome back to my channel. My screen, my webcam is grey. I don't know why it is, but yeah. So first video on the More Monster channel, I'm gonna be playing some of this. I forgot what it's called. What's it called, Luke? Epic Minigames. And my friend Luke, Monster Luke, go check him out. His link will be in the description. He's playing with me as well. Say hi, Luke.
Hello.
If you're wondering what I mean, I'm eating Doritos.
Where is it?
How come you all went to a minigame and I didn't?
You've got AFK mode on.
How does it know? Oh. Let's just watch the players for now.
Yo, this game hard. That was 26. That's 25. No.
Wait, you meant to count eagles or not? I never played that. Rolling race, oh for God's sake. I can already tell it's going to be terrible.
Well, we never can do this because the eagle is. And almost every.
My G fuel is water. Mm.
Oh, this one. Oh. Are you on the other team? Oh.
'Cause you had a bad day. Move! Move the ball! It's my ball.
No, I cannot say that. Don't say that.
I'm going to get demonetized, aren't I?
No.
Mate, I should stop making these jokes. This is a family-friendly Christian Minecraft channel. So on this channel we will be posting Roblox, Minecraft, whatever you want. If this video somehow gets to 10 likes, I'll even make a Pac-Man video.
What?
Yeah, I'll play Pac-Man.
When I get my laptop back, able to make videos.
Hey, yous are really struggling, aren't you?
If you saw my intro, you could see that I was still at the beginning.
Yeah, I saw.
How would you see?
I looked back when we were about to finish and you were at the start. What happened?
I was so bored.
What's wrong with my webcam? It's all black and white.
I don't know why.
Conveyor conundrum. Sounds so good.
Yeah. There's a glitch.
I don't like this.
Have you ever got one of the ones where you actually control the stuff? I've never got it.
Blah, 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 blah.
I identified the helicopter.
Me too, Luke. I guess we have something in common.
Identify the new one, even a attack helicopter. But that's the glitch that we were. People are walking through things.
Can we not just stay at the side? Boom! Done it, boys! This is a Dorito for the win. Crap, no, we cannot stay at the side as it seems.
Wait, are you sure? Are you like sure? No, 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 no.
No! What the hell?
They got too fast for us to move.
Oh, man.
Look at this ass person.
Oh! There's some beef going on in the chat right now. Your fault for being so ugly. Oh, yeah? Well, actually, you're uglier than me, girl, so I don't know what you're saying.
Roleplay. Every roleplay ever. At the end.
Every single roleplay. That was a good one.
That's what she Sorry, I'm watching.
alternate dimension is this where literally anything can happen? Can I not just stay in this one position?
Why isn't Mario music?
I'm-
This is literally
Knowing me, I'm probably going to walk off the platform because I'm in first person.
I'm in third. I'm talented. I'm gonna do magic at the time. Oh.
Mate, what the hell? Why are there so many?
Dude, Jesus.
I did it.
That was what I meant by you getting hungry at the end.
Oh, crap. A Dr. Dorito.
You doctor the people. Yeah, that means.
I had the Dorito in my hand and I dropped it onto my knee.
Lane jumping. Don't you mean illegal?
Lane jumping? Is this where you duck under cars like Logan Paul does?
Or may get run over from I.
And Granny looks like a deceased.
What happened?
Someone said in the chat, Ariana Grande looks like a diseased peach.
Crazy most of all time, but true. When the truth.
Players are called Eevee.
I'm just running forward and thinking.
I don't want to die.
This one on your screen.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah. Good work,
Wait, follow
Maxima.
me, follow me.
Oh, right, Luke wants to show us something, so let's see what the boy wants to say now. Do you want to look into my eyeballs? That's my eyeball.
Yeah, this has belonged to kids.
I'm not looking at you. I lost. I'm lost.
Across the map.
How the hell are you? What the?
I launched from the cannon. Rocket Bumblebee.
Mate, imagine if you had a cannon in your garden and you do that every day.
This one shot of World War II.
You'll be given a rocket launcher. Jesus Christ.
This is a kid game. A guy just killed.
What? I got killed straight away and I'm going to actually go insane. Kitty 502101 and Frank Diary name. I hate you. It's because you won't get the joke, but Anne and Frank Diary name called Kitty. And she's called Kitty. I'll just keep on eating my Doritos. Don't mind me.
Why do people nails? I've never been.
I don't know what I'm doing. I just put my chair out and jumped. I'm really giddy right now. Do you want to look into my eyeball? That's my eyeball. Do you want to look into my eyeball? Mate, I'm weird. You'll start dehydrating. Well, give me them bloxicles. Where the hell? What? Bloxicola. Good deal.
It isn't dropped.
I'm literally getting them all. You're not getting any, Luke.
I got two.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I don't want you to, so you don't.
I said you didn't. I got two again.
I say you not have no.
And that's
Thank God. Give me the bloxicola. Give me the bloxicola. Gimme! No! Luke, why would you do that? told you I'm not trash. I told you I'm not trash. I'll draw and spit. It's on the camera now. Oh wait, I'm doing it.
Look up.
I don't know why I did it in real life. It's a banana!
Did you see what?
Yeah, you just flew across me.
Go up the tower, go up the tower.
Rainbow ice cream. Oh god, it's going for me. It's going for me. It was going for me. Kill it. I don't think the Juggernauts ever win, you know. No, I'm not lying. I don't think they ever do.
Nah, if you got like a small lobby.
Oh crap. No. Oh, thank god.
The name is White.
Rainbow ice cream waffle.
But I think it's White.
We'll do one more game and then the video will end, because why not?
Oh, you need to get eggs after the
It's a bad day. You're right, Castle Clash. That sounds so good, but it's gonna be absolute dog doo doing it. Yum. I think I need to stop being so weird.
Yes, you do. What team are you on? Please don't kill me.
I'm on the blue team.
I see you.
Da. I'm in the ghetto. Da. You know what? As long as no one comes near me, we'll be fine. Just stay away. I'm just gonna run. That's my tactic. My tactic. What the? That's gonna end it for the video. I think I'm gonna go insane due to this quarantine. I might even go skinhead. I'm actually thinking about it. Yep. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go check out link in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.